this life I cannot change. In the hills, deep off in the main. The bands in the tank on E. You gotta go and get it, don't let it come free. I'm standing rock solid, buying harder than tea. And Rick on dinner with a.
Hey guys, Zed from Zed Productions here, and in this video I'm going to be taking a look at the new Motorola Razr 5G. This is the second generation of the Motorola Razr, which is a full touchscreen smartphone that can fold. Really cool, something new, innovative, and yeah, so let's take a look at it. Bought this on Amazon for $1,400, but it was on sale, $400 off, so it's $1,000. Link in the description. Here is a warning, California Prop 65, graciously notifying you that, when you touch this device, you will get cancer and birth defects. The good old, everyone knows that. And this is not just this phone, so you guys don't need to freak out. I mean, you need to freak out, but not the fact that it's just about this phone. Your iPhone that you're holding or Android you're holding most likely has this too, 99.9%. It's just, in all smartphones, what can we do these days? Alright, anyways, let's open this box up. Pretty unique box. I do have to say, and this phone also has two screens, one on the outside that you can use while your phone is flipped. But yeah, pretty cool, something new that we haven't seen. All these smartphones are the same, and don't even get me started on the iPhone 12. That thing is literally an iPhone 5. You guys are getting scammed by Apple. If you buy that, you have to be a literal clown. Yes, I am actually, roasting you for that. Alright, anyways, let's get inside this box. And this is the liquid mercury color, which is black. And it has a nice chunk of foam padding, so your phone doesn't wobble around in that. I kind of messed this up. But it's on this little silicone TPU dock. It's not plastic. It's not cheap. And back here is what looks to be like a sunglasses case, but this is where all the accessories, manual, cables are. And most importantly, where the charging brick is. Some phone companies are forgetting that this is an essential part of a phone. You have to charge your phone. You need a new charging brick. Alright, so this is another instruction guide, legal safety stuff. How to use the SIM ejector tool. Little quick start guide just telling you where stuff is. Yeah, just like a little instruction outline. Not like I need this, And next up we have a dongle, because this does not have a headphone jack. It uses USB Type-C. And, surprise, surprise, there's a charging brick in here. Turbo power. Fast charging brick. USB-A to USB Type-C. And here is the USB Type-C cable. I won't really need to open it since I already have one. And you can see there it's a USB Type-C. And here's a SIM ejector tool. And here's the phone sitting inside, folded. Really nice presentation with this Motorola. But I know there's going to be so much bloatware on the actual phone that is just going to make it really tough. Alright, so here's the phone. That's the first front screen, and with a 48 megapixel camera on the outside and a flash. Here's your speaker, USB Type-C. There's a SIM slot, volume up and down, power button. And on the side, it kind of bothers me that you can see those screws. There's Penelope screws. Yeah, it kind of bothers me that those are open, but that's just how it has to be. And here's the back. That's the fingerprint sensor, which is also the logo. Very smart, natural place where your finger would go anyways. So let's flip this up, and this is really exciting. So here it is. It's kind of unfortunate, but with a folding phone you have to see that. There are 3 fold lines, and it doesn't really shake. And this feels a lot better than I thought it would. I thought it would be really thin, sharp, and just a weird feeling, but no, it kind of feels pretty natural. And let's power this on. You can see Motorola right there. And of course this has the latest Android. Alright. So this is your introduction screen. And it has a screen protector on here. I actually didn't take this screen protector off. Let's take it off. Why not? I wouldn't usually take it off, but just because the reason it says Razr on there, it's going to block some important information. Let's take that off. But honestly, I don't really see this as being a daily driver practical phone because, again, it's a flip phone. And the battery size is very small. It's a 2900 milliamp hour or 2800 milliamp hour. One of those. And you can kind of see the gears grinding to close the screen. And another thing, this channel is not really all about the specs and all that stuff. I'm just showing you guys stuff, you know, for fun. Kind of inform you, but not too much. You know, I leave that up to MKBHD and other big YouTubers. But if you guys would like to know more about this, link down in the description down below. You can check that out. You can skip the SIM part and Wi-Fi. Quick disclaimer, since this is future me, since I'm doing a voiceover, yes, I do struggle a bunch because I forget my Wi-Fi password, even though I made it, and I have 2 Wi-Fi networks. But yeah, here is the... Yeah, I'm just going to set it up offline. I was just showing you guys a little keyboard test. Everything checks out. Yep, it's 9. Okay. And screen lock, I was hiding this at first, but then I'm like, you know, what's the big deal? It's not like I'm keeping this phone anyways. And let's set up the fingerprint. As you guys know, it's right back here. And this is using a Snapdragon CPU. I think this has 8 gigabytes of RAM. 256 gigabytes of storage. And we'll accept that. And nope, not trying to give them my email so they can spam me even more than already what they're going to do on this phone. Just allow. And I've noticed that this is kind of like a weird like touchscreen. It's not really that responsive. And my phone uses the exact same controls. I know how to use this. It's just this phone is a little tricky. And here I'm trying to navigate back. But yeah, it's a little bit tricky. It's not really very fluid. It's not that smooth. And I don't really like Motorola's software. It's just not for me. I have a OnePlus phone, OnePlus 6T. I like that. And the screen is actually very nice. Let's get into here. And it has a decent camera. You know, you're not buying this for the best camera, but the camera's decent. You'll get by. And here's my wonderful self. As you guys can see, I'm trying to zoom in. But, see, I just don't like this tricky software. It's just moving everywhere, not doing what I want. But yeah, that's that. So, I realize you cannot have it halfway open. Like the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. You cannot have it halfway open. Hopefully, I get to review that next. No promises, though. It's just so tricky to navigate, partly because I don't know what I'm doing, and partly because the screen is just so weird. And here's the calculator. I will be showing you guys. It makes a clicky calculator sound. Gotta turn off my fan real quick. So there, that was your ASMR for the day. And as you can see, I struggle, absolutely struggle trying to get out the calculator app. Why is everything glitching in this interface? I am so confused. Like, why is it like this? can see my great ring light shining on it. And I'm like, you know what, let's pop up some YouTube, but I need Wi-Fi for that. So I just open up my phone's hotspot, and that's how we're rolling. Alright, let's open up YouTube. Of course, we are going to type in the wonderful Blue Electrical, which I was doing, but I'm like, hold on, that's not my channel anymore. And what just happened? Did you guys see that? Everything just got erased. Like, what is this phone? So, we gotta type in Zed Productions, of course. The keyboard is so small, it's just weird.
Hey guys, Zed from Zed Productions here, and in this video I'm going to be taking a look at the Phone Soak 3 I got from Amazon for about $80. Link will be in the description down below. So basically this is a device that sanitizes your phone, keys, wallet, anything that fits inside of it with UVC light. So it comes inside this little package, and there is a separate little pouch for the power adapter. So this can also charge your phone while it is sanitizing your phone. There are two models of this.
And that was a little sound test for you guys. Very, very nice sounding speakers. They get pretty loud. And I'm going to open up YouTube from here. You guys can hear that too. Really, really nice how you can open it while the phone is closed and open. You got two screens. Really cool.
With wireless charging, which is $100, and one without. And I bought the regular one because my phone doesn't really support wireless charging, and I don't really think it's necessary, but the one with wireless charging I saw has two UV lights on the bottom. So, you know, maybe it has better efficiency, who knows, or maybe it's worse.
And that's one of my favorite features of this phone. The fact that you can play YouTube, open the camera, and stuff like that. That is pretty versatile. And it says you can flick your wrist twice to open up the camera. And here I was doing this, but I forgot that you have to unlock your phone. And here I unlocked it. So really nice. And the screen on the front is decent. It's not too bad. You know, it's just a plus having a screen in the front. And it just took a photo, because why not? And it's pretty nice. And you can open it up to have the photo be bigger. And yeah, that's pretty cool. I like that. It's not bad. But overall, the struggle is real with this interface. And I wish if the software was a little bit better, it would have been such a great phone. But you know, it's a learning curve. It's a new innovation. They're getting the hang of it. Let me know what you guys think of this video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Link is down in the description below if you want to purchase this $1,400 phone. And yeah, let me know your thoughts. Do you guys think this is a cool phone? Let me know if you made it till the end. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.